Welcome to the second part of our two-part series, Doing This Room. I am Abby.
I'm wherein.
And we are about to decorate this space. So let's go. Here is the before look of the project. It was cluttered, no cohesiveness, the paint needs so much help, the two built-ins weren't as functional, and overall it's not just homey as it can be. From the first part of this two-part series, which we will link for you down below, we gutted the floors and got rid of the two not so useful built-in closets. So the materials have arrived for the built-in shelves, and so as the rods for the curtain. We are going to build this, put the built-in shelf right over there, put the curtain right here.
So the first closet is up. This time we are figuring out the next height. We already have the first one here. We have our client's stuff. This is a guideline. We're gonna put one here.
So it's here then. So just a recap for today. We built the two shelves. We had the hooks on top, on the bottom. We have the bottom as well on here. We have the pull-out one on there with the mirror. And we have this pull-out hooks. And then we have another hooks for hanging items in there. So for the next step, we are going to put the LED lights and the spotlights on top of each closet. And then we're going to put the curtains and the rod. Welcome to second day of furnishing this place. We are almost done.
Almost.
We have the mirror right there. We have another mirror right there. We have the spotlight right on there.
Installing these.
And then we have the LED lights as well. And then we'll finish it up. And then we'll be good to go.
Let's do it.
So we are 90% done. Yan is just putting up the hooks for the rods to go into. Hi, baby.
Hello.
And then we'll put up the curtains. Then we will do the beddings. Then finishing touches. It should be good.
Hi everyone, welcome to our client's newly improved bedroom. I'm pretty sure you can't really distinguish if this is the same room or not. But before I tell you more about this room, let's have a small look of the room. Let me tell you about this room. Now to begin with, this room isn't really big. It's only around 95 to around 100 square foot room. To put that in perspective, you can't really even put a small car in this room. So that's how tiny this room is.
We have the mirror to make the space look even bigger. And the corner mirror as well. Let me tell you about these curtains. So these curtains are blackout curtains. Before it was just blinds.
Just curious, babe, why did we go with this long version one instead of the one that was there before?
Oh, good question. We had that blind before in here. We got rid of it because we do not want the look, first of all, for aesthetics. Second, it doesn't really give that blackout feel that our client wants. Third one, it lengthens the room. So from the very top to the ceiling, we had the curtains. So in the color as well, we had the color very light and neutral. that is really close to the color scheme, which is light gray, a little bit of black, white, and a little bit of blue.